It is an exciting time for Kansas as we enter into a deal with Integra Technologies to build a $1.8 billion semiconductor plant in Wichita. This investment will have a positive impact not only on Wichita, but on the entire state of Kansas. The state has agreed to provide up to $300 million in incentives for the project, which was approved by a panel of lawmakers and the governor. This is a major step forward in terms of economic development and will create 2,000 new jobs in Wichita. Semiconductors are a crucial component in many forms of technology, including smartphones and vehicles. And with the U.S. investing heavily in semiconductors due to supply chain shortages during the pandemic, the investment in this plan is important for U.S. security and the national supply chain. Integra Technologies manufactures semiconductors for space applications and over 100 U.S. Department of Defense projects, making this deal all the more significant. Governor Laura Kelly has described Integra's investment as adding proof to putting Kansas on the map, following our successful luring of Panasonic to Kansas in 2022. Now, some have questioned if the incentives offered in the Apex law are too generous. However, Republican Senator Renee Erickson has argued that, although she does not like incentives, the state needs to take a chance in order to win economic development deals. The Apex law has already created momentum and established Kansas as a top place to do business, as seen with the $4 billion Panasonic electric vehicle battery plant in DeSoto. And with the Integra deal using up the remaining incentives in the Apex law, which only allows one deal of this type per year in 2022 and 2023, we must extend the Apex law in order to allow for such deals in 2024 and beyond. In conclusion, let us embrace this opportunity to boost our economy, create new jobs, and establish Kansas as a leader in the semiconductor industry. This post is sponsored by Move Technologies, the largest global marketplace for used semiconductor equipment.